Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money by posting on Facebook. Alright, sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Alright, so let's get right into it. There is a system out there that I've been talking about the last couple years. It's called the Automated Cash App System. Alright, this system actually teaches you how you can make money from other apps. Alright, so once you get Automated Cash App System, you're gonna make money because it teaches you how to make money from other apps inside. So that's one way to make money from it. But the really super profitable way to earn with the system is to actually promote the system itself. After you make a little money, you can actually resell the Automated Cash App System for 100% commission for $27. So you can start earning $27 commission sent straight to your Cash App over and over again. But a lot of people new to the game or whatever, you're like, that's nice, but how do I promote it? How do I promote the Cash App system, right? Simple. Facebook is a great place to promote it. And once you get the system, they actually show you how to promote Automated Cash App System on your Facebook page, all right? But spoiler alert, I'll tell you actually how you do it. So once you get the system, right, they will actually give you exactly what you should post on your Facebook page to generate these $27 commissions. So it's actually, the work is done for you. You really don't have to think about what do you need to post on your Facebook to start getting people interested in the Automated Cash App System. So what you want to do is post up these images that they give you in the system. All you need to do is post them on your Facebook page. You can even post these in groups if you want to, right? And the images that you're going to post up, they're very engaging, right? So it's going to get people interested in what you're offering, which is the Automated Cash App System, right? So once you post these images or phrases on your Facebook, all you need to do is respond to when people show their interest. Your job is to send them, and I highly recommend inboxing them the information, and that's where you're going to inbox interested people. You're going to inbox them and send them your referral link. Once you send them the link, that's all you need to do, right? Now they might have a question or two, but it's super simple because you're just sending them the link, and then they can buy the Cash App System for themselves. As soon as they do, you're going to get your $27 commission. And once you get your commission, just rinse and repeat. Just keep going with it. And the cool thing is, guys, once you post on Facebook, you don't have to just post on Facebook. You can post it on your Instagram, right? If you use Instagram, you could even do a TikTok video and post these images on there as well, and you can get eyeballs on the offer. So it's really whatever you prefer, but the system focuses on how to promote on your Facebook. So what you want to do, guys, is don't just go on your Facebook and just start posting these images every day nonstop. You want to still post normal stuff, your normal posts about where you went, what you ate for dinner, what your kids doing, and then you want to sprinkle in these posts from Automated Cash App System, just getting people engaged, getting people interested in what you have, and be consistent, guys. So at least 2-3 times a week you can post these images and get people interested in the offer, because guys, this is a legit system. You really can earn these commissions. I'm doing it. It's real. It's super simple, but you do gotta be consistent and stick with it. But if all else fails, here's the cool part. If all else fails and you don't even decide to promote Automated Cash App System, you're going to make more in the program than the $27 you paid for the system. So if you follow what's in the system, you're going to get more than the $27 back. So it's a win-win situation. All right. So you want to check it out for yourself. Obviously, link below. Super easy to get started. If you got any questions, comment below. I help you out as much as I can. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to like it if it did. Subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.